Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change country/region on Samsung. So you might just feel like changing your region or your country on your Samsung phone, maybe for one or two things you want to do. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So the first step you have to take is you have to open your Chrome or Google, any browser of your choice, and search for Samsung account right there. Click on this first one here and it's going to load up. So basically, because I've logged in before, so you can see my profile right here. So you click on profile and scroll down to edit personal information. Click on that. So here you can see country or region. Click on that, and any country you actually pick, you are going to change. It's going to change automatically, right? So you can just pick any country, and once you do that, you can now go back and save it up. So let me just click on Nigeria. So because I've picked that already. So once you do this, it's going to change automatically. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.